In WhatsApp, you can take photo or video from WhatsApp application only and send that photo or video. Sometimes when you are opening camera, it will be in back camera or selfie camera mode. If you want to switch that camera, you can do that. In this video, we will be telling about how to switch between selfie camera and back camera in WhatsApp application. For this, open WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact to which you want to send photo or video. For example, I am selecting this contact. After that, down here you can see camera button. Click on this camera button. When you are clicking on that, camera will be opened. Now this application is in selfie camera mode. If you want to change that camera, what you need to do is, here you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, it will be switched to back camera. Now it is in back camera. Again, if you want to switch, click on this button and it will be switched to selfie camera. After that, if you want to take photo, just click on this button and photo will be taken. Or if you want to record video, here you can see video option. Click on this and click on this button. When you are clicking on that, video recording will be started, and after finishing recording, click on this button and that recording will be completed. After that, to send this video, click on this send button. When you are clicking on that, that video will be sent. So this way you can easily switch between camera in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.